Hey, are you ready to instantly get what you want? I have a method that I'd like you to try because it really works. It's like 100%. This is a phenomenal method to help you get what you want instantly. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and we're running all over town today. But I want you to think about instantly increasing your vibration. You see, if you can instantly increase your vibration, you can instantly attract into your life whatever it is you desire, what you desire most. Remember, our thoughts are key to all of this because our thoughts affect our physical body, they affect our energy field, and they affect our reality. Our reality. Wow. Think about that. Your thoughts affect your reality. So we spend most of our time blaming other people and external circumstances when the truth of the matter is that we are co-creators of our reality and we've attracted into our lives exactly what we're living. Your thoughts are things. So, high flyers, it only makes sense that if increasing and raising your vibration higher, leveling up as they call it, if doing that and opening yourself up to source energy, connecting with the infinite field of potential, with God, with light, whatever you see the universe as, it only makes sense that by doing that, we increase our unlimited opportunities, our personal power, our abundance, and of course, the amount of love that is flowing into our lives. And that's very, very important. You know, it wasn't too long ago that I was driving an old beat up truck, and it was just limping along. And I realized that the only way I was going to change my life was to raise my vibration and to connect more strongly, more deeply to source energy. And then came gratitude. And with gratitude, this overwhelming feeling of abundance and love and happiness. And that led to a blessing. I'm going to share with you how to attract a blessing into your life. I can't tell you what the blessing is. For someone, it might be winning the lottery. For someone else, it might be reconnecting with a family member that they haven't seen in years. For someone else, it could be, rejuvenation of health. I'm not sure what your blessing is, but you're going to receive a blessing by the end of this video. How's that? At least you're going to know how to do it. So, high flyers, the energy that primarily gets in the way of this blessing of receiving an opportunity or receiving something special in your life is usually identified as lower vibration. But I want to tell you what lower vibration is. I'm going to refer to Dr. David Hawkins' book, Power versus Force. And in his book, he says, shame is the lowest. Just feeling shame. Guilt, apathy, grief, fear, desire, and not higher desire, lower desire, base desire, anger, and pride. These are the lower vibrational energies that stop you from receiving the kind of blessing. And then you can receive them every day. You're not limited to one blessing, by the way. You can receive blessings every single day in your life. We're going to do that right now. So the first thing to do, high flyers, is understand how you are feeling right now. And if you want to write it down below here, just write down in one word, how are you feeling right now at this moment? And then I want you to open up yourself to complementary people you're surrounded by. In other words, I want you to think of people that are positive and uplifting and joyful and happy and resourceful. I want you to think about those people that are in your life, people that you either know directly or perhaps even indirectly, but they're a part of your reality. Now do this now. Do this right now. Come on, do it now. Got it? So you've got some people that you're at least one person. Think of just one person that you know that is special. That is special. One of those people that you thought about. Just pick one. And I want you to close your eyes right now. I'll keep mine open, but I want you to close yours. And send a positive intention. And simply say these words. I send you positive intentions and positive thoughts for your dreams and goals. I send you positive intentions and positive thoughts for your dreams and goals. You might want to write that down below here so that you have it ingrained in your mind. It's important. It's very important. This is a big part of the step. You've just sent someone that has fairly positive energy to begin with, a positive intention or a positive thought. And now, just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And receive the blessing. You see, that energy that you sent out is now boomeranging back. And you are now receiving a blessing. That blessing will come to you in a number of different ways. And as I said, I can't explain how the blessing will come to you. It may be just a feeling. It may be increased money. It may be saving a failed relationship. It could be a number of different ways. But the blessing is coming to you. Doesn't it feel good? Okay, so write down below now how you feel so much better, how you feel different from in the beginning when we first started. Write it down below, share it, okay? Because this only takes a few moments to send out a positive blessing and put yourself in line to receive a blessing in return. You know, we can do this all day. And the more you do it, think about this, high flyers, the more you do this, the more you share of yourself and you send out positive thoughts, positive intentions, the more that you receive in return. And it's almost instantly. It's instantly sometimes. I mean, sometimes it happens like very, very fast. I've had situations where I couldn't make something happen, where I couldn't close a business deal. And all I did is close my eyes and send the person I was doing business with a blessing. Send them a positive intention. Send them a positive thought. And within sometimes hours, the business deal was closed. But I immediately felt better, and I immediately felt certain that a positive, uplifting, exciting blessing was coming my way. That's how the universe works. It's called the law of reciprocity. Give, and it will be given unto you. You have a wonderful day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.